Hello, this is the third and final task of the Mission Mars Challenge. In this video, I will be going over Task 3, which requires you to complete a space-themed game using Scratch. I will also be going over some of the rules and knowledge you will need to complete this task. This video will go over displacement and distance, while video 5 will explain how to use the Scratch software. For the second part of Task 3, you will need to calculate the distance and displacement traveled in the x and y directions. Distance is the total length traveled by an object, while displacement refers to how far an object has traveled from the starting position. Let's go over a quick example to help make the difference more clear. Let's say that Jane here wants to go from her house to her friend's house, and this is the path she takes. To find the distance, we would need to determine the total length she has traveled. In this case, that would be 1,750 meters, which you get by adding 500, 750, and 500 together. To find displacement, we need to consider how far she is from her original starting position, which is her house. Note that for displacement, any movement up or to the right is a positive displacement, while any movement down or to the left is a negative displacement. In the y direction, we see that she has moved 500 meters down and 500 meters up. When these two values are added together, we get a displacement of 0 in the y direction. In the x direction, she has displaced positive 750 meters because she moved 750 meters to the right. Knowing the difference between these two concepts will be important for part 2 of this task. Some important things to note for this task. Remember to show all your work, make sure your final answer has the appropriate unit, and make sure that the final answer for displacement has positive or a negative sign in front of it. For this task, you will need to submit a link to your Scratch project, a picture of your entire code, and a typed up or handwritten document with all your work for calculating the distance and displacement for the x and y directions. Good luck with the third task!